Hello friends, welcome to the part 2 of the video blog on how to become a cashless person. In the part 1 we discussed first 6 points and in part 2 we will be discussing rest 9 points. So there are 15 ways to become a cashless person. Number 7 is check or DD. The oldest way to go cashless. Long back I remember that check was accepted for retail payments, that is restaurant and hotel bills or retail purchases. I made some payments through check almost 20 years back. The only catch was that the check was accepted only from regular and trusted customers. The biggest concern for a retailer is check bounce and hassles attached to the same. Still, you can issue check or DD for many transactions if you are not comfortable with other modes of cashless payments. For example, utility bill payments, or you can pay to your friends and family members. For premium customers, the banks waive off DD charges and also provide home banking facility, that is pick and drop facility for DD. Number 8 is QR code, one of the recent entrants in cashless payments club. It is very simple and I used it yesterday only. You just need to scan the QR code displayed at the retail or merchant outlet, enter the amount, and that's it. You need a smartphone with a camera and the compatible application. ICICI Pockets, Paytm and some other apps provide this service. I also saw a news report that even auto rickshaw drivers, street food stalls, etc. are also accepting payments through QR code. Number 9 is ECS, one of the hassle-free ways to make cashless payments. ECS is especially useful when you make payment on a recurring basis. For example, utility bills, monthly EMIs, credit card bills, insurance premium, etc. You need not remember payment date and amount is automatically debited from your bank account. Number 10 is gift vouchers. I find it to be useful for people who are not comfortable with almost all types of cashless payments. For example, parents of one of my friend. Secondly, people who are looking for discounts. Though personally I am not in favor of gift vouchers, as I shared in my post on my blog, gift coupons or gift vouchers are marketing gimmick. Still, sometimes you get a deep discount for gifting purpose or you need alternate currency for purchase. In such scenarios, gift vouchers come a handy option for cashless payments. Number 11 is net banking. Payment through net banking is an alternative to a credit card or debit card. You just need to log into your net banking account and authorize the payment. The option is suitable for people who don't prefer to keep credit card or debit card. Number 12 is Visa Card Pay. In my opinion, one of the convenient service but not so successful. You can transfer funds from your bank account to Visa card. There are 27 million Visa card holders in India. The best part is that it is similar to UPI. You only need to remember a single parameter to transfer funds, that is Visa card number. The funds can be transferred only to a Visa cards issued in India. Only flip side is that it may take 3 days to transfer the funds. Number 13 is bill payment service. Bill payment service reduces a lot of hassle. Even government-backed NPCI launched Bharat Bill Payment Service. It is indirectly helping the government's objective of cashless economy. During my childhood, I remember how my dad used to maintain a diary to pay all the utility bills on time. Personally, I tried many bill payment service. I do agree that some of them are not so good. To share an example, I subscribed to bill payment service of one of the leading private banks. One fine day when I and my wife returned from an office, we found that electricity connection of our flat was disconnected. Reason being, the bill was not presented to the bill payment service of the bank and the bill was not paid by the bank. The worst part is that bank never took the pain to inform me regarding the same. Finally, I settled with the bill payment service of State Bank of India, and from last 2 years I have not faced any issue. The amount is debited automatically from my savings account. Number 14 is ATMs. Not many people are aware that ATMs are sort of full-fledged banks in itself. You can transfer money, pay bills, pay credit card bill, recharge mobile, and do a lot of other things. Therefore, ATMs also facilitate cashless payments. Each bank provides a different set of services, but people who don't have access to the internet can utilize ATMs for cashless payments. Number 15 is Aadhaar based transfer, a relatively new option. That is Aadhaar based transfer for cashless payments. It is officially called Aadhaar Enabled Payment System. You need Aadhaar number of the payee and IIN. In this case, the IIN is the number that identifies the bank in which the money will be transferred. Each bank is assigned a unique IIN. Therefore, I will share the IN of the bank to which I have mapped my Aadhaar number. It is a 6-digit number. For amount transfer, you only need Aadhaar number of the payee and name of the bank in which he or she has linked the Aadhaar. The people in rural or semi-urban areas will be assisted with the IN details through chart displayed in banks or through customer service point. Currently, this option is visible under UPI on mobile apps. Now, words of wisdom. In my opinion, a lot of effort has gone to facilitate the cashless payments. Now it's citizens' turn to make it successful. The cashless economy has more benefits compared to the cash-dependent economy. In my opinion, people who have nothing to hide welcome the cashless payments with open arms. Those who are giving excuses not to have sufficient options, I have shared list of 15 ways to become a cashless person. If these two categories of people adopt cashless payments, then the third category, who are strongly resisting the cashless payments, will not have any choice but to adopt cashless payments. This is the beauty of the democracy, and the country will be free from the clutches of black money. Hope you like this video. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. The option is visible on your screen. You can post your feedback, comments and queries through following comment section. I will definitely answer your queries. For more such informative and interesting posts and videos, you can visit my website www.nitinbhatia.in. Thanks for watching this video.